Yo! Hi guys! How are you? I hope you're having an amazing day. Cause I'm having an okay day. But just because you guys are in my day, it's amazing. So guys, today we're going out a little. It's Saturday. And you know we have things to do. Honey's gonna get my jacket. Babe, do I need that?
Yeah, it's a little bit cold today, right?
I didn't want that one. I want the one that you could zip up.
Zip up?
Yes.
Yeah, this one zips up.
No, I want my babe. I like the thing that's going on right there. Babe, the one that you zip up from the bottom.
You go with that jacket.
The big one? The green one?
Yeah.
No, the black one. Yeah, so hubby's going to get that for me. How are you guys? I'm in need of going out. Not sure what we're doing today. Okay, we have a plan for tonight or this afternoon and tonight, but what we're doing now, I think we're just going to get food or something. But tell me how you guys are. Yeah, guys, I did a bit of eyeliner and I did my hair, and what do you guys think? Okay, but tell me how you are. Tell me how you're doing. Tell me everything. I'm very interested. And you guys know I read the comments. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So soon. Guys, it's... No, I'm not gonna fall. Thank you, honey. Guys, it's warming up. It's melting. Yay! Yippee! Oh my God, do you see the grass? It's coming. Yeah, honey, I'm gonna be careful. So this is what I'm wearing today. We don't have to dress you know, as the fat girl anymore. So thick anymore. So yeah. Oh, I love how the sun falls on my face today. Hi guys. See you soon. So we're here. We're here. It's a bit cold. There to Mary Brown's. It's a new place here in Ontario. Orangeville. I'm sorry. yeah. And it's new as in. So let's see what they have. Oh, it smells good. Okay. Smells pretty nice. So we bought our food already. It's a place like McDonald's or something. That's the same things that they have here. Oh, they're not selling you, right? Yeah, so we're waiting on our food. Sitting here. It's a bit chilly here. It's like the AC is very cold. Oh, our food arrived. Thank you. Babe, food makes me happy.
Me too.
I don't like how the sun falls on you. Yeah, it's very long. Yeah, the fry is long. Okay, I got a short one. That's not fair.
Chocolate.
Like chocolate? The fries has something different in it.
They burned it a little bit.
No? Check my burger.
How this thing tastes.
Yeah. Just like the Popeyes from Babe. I want to sit beside you. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, this is a better angle. Thank you.
Taste it.
Why is there a pickle on top?
You can remove it if you want.
Oh, yeah.
But it's edible.
Yeah, I can see it. It's edible, that's true. You think? No, we didn't buy protein.
Hot sauce in here if you want it. Ketchup. Like it? Just like the Popeyes from Suriname.
Mary Brown is just some. It's just a Popeyes. A very good Popeyes. But the fries are different. I like how different the fries are. Oh, what about the wedges? Guys, we also got wedges. Not sure if you can see them perfectly. Okay, let's try it.
I still think Wendy's is better.
When okay, maybe I have to do another Wendy's test taste. I didn't like the first one. I think it's better than this one. This is not, it's like Popeyes, but it's not Popeyes from Suriname. Mm. Very good. So, how much do you give it? 8 or 9? Hmm? 8 or 9?
I'm not gonna rate it.
You can.
I don't want to rate it online, you know.
Well, guys, you have to come in person and rate it for yourself. I want to show you guys. I found my first soda. In Canada, it's called a pop drink. I'm sorry, they have crushed cream soda here and
Do this whole thing again.
hi guys. This is my second time doing this part of the vlog, because beforehand I was burping and I was trying to cover it up, and then hubby said you have to do it all over because you're burping and then you're farting. I wasn't farting, honey. Did you hear me fart? Did you smell something? You're lying. Okay, but guys, today my first soda in Canada. They have the crushed cream soda. Yeah, that is what Sandeep loves. So honey,
Yeah.
it's soda with less sugar. Yeah, it's like Fernando's soda that we have in Suriname, but it just has less sugar.
Who's this one? Here's this one.
Okay, this is the orange one. Yeah, but it also is good, but it also has less sugar. First, later, first.
Because we try to eat healthier in Canada, right?
Oh, they try to eat, but can I eat healthy on my terms?
No, you can still hear the
You
sound.
can.
It means that you still hear it not to disagree with me.
But
But
it's okay. So the soda is okay, but it's not Fernando's, okay? It's not Fernando's. The wedges, everything is okay. It's okay. Okay, right? Okay. We just made a deal, and I'm going to do it on camera, just to remind you. Guys, before he knew me, his Dutch was like 0.5. Now that he knows me, his Dutch it's happening. Babe, I'm not gonna do it. I'm sorry, but guys, I'm drinking soda, so if I have to burp, it has to come out. Babe, we just had a deal. You're not gonna talk Dutch anymore.
okay, fine.
We moet het inhouden. Let's make this deal online. You're going to help me to improve my English because your English is perfect. Mine is like 6.5. So you're not going to speak Dutch to me again. And if I speak Dutch to you, you shouldn't understand me either. Okay, but when we're in stores and people are maybe, I don't want everyone to understand us. It's our secret code. So, but most of the time, and in our vlogs and at home, we're going to speak English.
Okay.
Okay, it's getting crowded. Deal?
Deal.
Babe, you have to shake my head like a man. Okay, it's good. So, where are we going next?
We're gonna go drive around and see what's new in town.
As I'm sitting in my room editing this vlog for you guys for today, I had to add an ending part to it. I think I know why they call it pop drinks, because it's the only time I had pop, and I was really popping that day. I was burping, but I was okay. When I say I also speak for Sandeep, by the way. We were popping from upside and downstairs too. So I can't say it's the pop drink or it's the food, but we were burping and farting the entire day. Disclaimer alert. But maybe it just had something to do with us, or I don't know. After this, guys, we didn't really go to town and do anything special. We just came home and we had to start packing for live streaming. Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please comment. I read every comment of you guys, and I know that I comment. And please engage with me. I thank you that you're here. Thank you that you're my friend, and I really appreciate you. We're above 500. Please, we are on our way to 1,000 and more. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I think this week I'm going to start to share my work on Facebook too. So if you have me on please make sure you have me on all your socials. My name on Facebook is Cleopatra Chinaton. Oh my god, on Facebook I'm not married. Okay, I'm married, but my name is not changed. God, guys, I'm looking there because Sandeep is sitting there. Okay. On TikTok I'm Cleo's Hive, and on YouTube, if you're seeing this, means you know what my name is, Cleopatra's Hive. Okay, so Cleopatra's Hive on TikTok, Cleopatra's Hive on YouTube. Love you. You are blessed. You are special. Be yourself. Love yourself. Appreciate yourself. Make time to pray. Read the Bible. Mwah, mwah, mwah. See you next time. Bye.